enforcement of the law. I have a law enforcement background, retired from the Oakridge Police Department. I wrote Ordinance 873 and enacted it when the Lane County District Attorney's Office sent a letter down to the Oakridge Police Department saying that they weren't going to enforce more than 50 different misdemeanors. I came up with an idea that says if we decriminalize these misdemeanors, at least that allows us, the citizens of Oakridge, to get some enforcement. So I wrote Ordinance 873 that decriminalizes misdemeanors and allows them to go through our municipal court. And I enforced that. In fact, if you can check with the municipal court, but I believe I was the most prolific writer of 873 citations during that time period. I believe that all persons are equal under the law, and all persons should be cited for any violations found in violation of the law. In fact, I myself filed a complaint against the city administrator for his alleged violation, and I went ahead and filed with the Government Council of Ethics, since I didn't feel that I was met with an appropriate.
You can't call for an order.
Well,
Since it was
from the answer to the question.
I didn't feel like I was met with an appropriate response. I filed a complaint with the Government Council of Ethics.
30 seconds.
And I yield back my time.
There's no point of order.
Okay.
People get to answer their question the way they feel led to answer it.
All right.
We should not, and I'll say this, this is anything that's current or in the past. If it's a personal comment, it should not be made.
Well, nor any investigation pending.
That's right.
That's fine. Go ahead.
So that one's not working still?
This one isn't working. This one is.
Right. So, do you remember the question?
I remember the question.
Okay.
So I would have to say no, I won't. When we pass ordinances and laws, they are expected to be enforced. If ordinances and laws aren't being enforced by our police department, that's a bigger question, not a question that the city council can pass something else to say, now you have to do it. While I recognize the importance of keeping order and obeying laws, and I certainly wouldn't want them to be ignored, there is a different mechanism for that. That's not my job as a counselor to pass another law to make a law work.